Hey everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily invest on investing.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, dive into a default web browser and in the web search bar, you can just type in investing.com. This will lead you to the official web page of investing.com and you can find various of options available here. You can see here the market option and choose the category you want to invest. I want to invest on the stocks. Let's click the stocks. The various of stocks are available here. We can click the one of the performing stocks. Let's click on the Microsoft for now, and if you scroll a little bit there, you can find buy options. To invest on this Microsoft corporation, you can just click on the buy. To invest on this stock, you have to choose the broker. You can choose the broker depending upon their services and their ratings, and that's how you invest on investing.com. If this video was helpful, you can leave a like and we will bring more of this type of content related to investing and trading. And if you don't want to miss the updates, you can subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries can be dropped in the comment section. That's it for today guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video.